Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience. And today I have an interesting topic to discuss. We're going to learn how to apply for Panamanian citizenship for those born abroad. I'll be walking you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First thing is to understand Panamanian laws. The basics from the Panamanian citizenship for those born abroad is from the Panamanian Constitution. So those that any of their parents are Panamanian have the right to apply to Panama citizenship by birth, the same as those that were born in the Panamanian territory, by the principle of jus sanguinis, which means that citizenship is passed down through bloodline. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. First, you need to show that one of your parents is Panamanian. If it's not alive, you need to show that the certificate of defunction and show your birth certificate. If you were born in the United States, your birth certificate needs to be legalized with apostille or in the state where you were born by the Panamanian consulate. So for example, if you were born in New York, your birth certificate needs to be legalized by the county, the civil registry, and the Panamanian consulate in New York. To be eligible for Panamanian citizenship, you need to show that at least one of your parents is Panamanian by showing their cédula, which is the Panamanian ID, which has to be valid. Also, you'll need to show your birth certificate that has to be legalized with the apostille or by a Panamanian consulate. And third, you need to show a proof of address in Panama. Also, there is an affidavit that needs to be notarized and signed by the parent, the Panamanian parent. If it lives in Panama, it has to be notarized by a Panamanian notary. But if the parent lives abroad, it would have to be legalized by a notary in the US and legalized with the apostille or by the Panamanian consulate. This process can be requested by the person that is applying to citizenship, also by their parents or their grandparents. You might also hire a Panamanian attorney in order to guide you in the process and represent you before the civil registry. Once you gather all the paperwork, birth certificate, the affidavit, photocopy of your parents' cédula, Panamanian ID, and your proof of address in Panama, you will be ready to submit the application or your Panamanian attorney at the Panamanian Civil Registry. Once they approve the application, they will answer in about 30 to 45 working days. And they will send you a message or to your Panamanian attorney informing that the birth was officially registered in Panama. Once the registration is official, you'll be ready to request a Panamanian birth certificate and also your cédula, which is the document that shows that you are Panamanian. Finally, I would like to invite you to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and if you're interested in learning more about the process of requesting Panamanian citizenship or looking for an attorney to hire, please click in the link below. Thanks.